Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install the Google Classroom here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed with the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, you can see there a best match. Please click on open to continue. So the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome, you need to proceed with the upper right side of that. You can see an icon like this. Click on it to see Google Apps. So in this small window, you need to scroll down and locate for Classroom. Okay? So I can see it here below slides. So click on it to bring up the Google Classroom. So once you are here at the Google Classroom, you need to proceed on clicking on Got It and please proceed on signing in your account. Okay, so click on this and sign in your account. In my case, I have already signed in mine. Once you're good, please proceed on the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it and scroll down and locate with this option called Cast, Saved, and Share. The moment you locate your cursor here, please navigate at the left side of that. You can see here install Google Classroom. So click on it and this small window would ask you to confirm your action. Please click on install to proceed on the installation of this Google Classroom. Once a new window would appear, it means that we have successfully installed it here at our PC or laptop. So you can now close or minimize that as well as the Google Chrome and check it here at the desktop. So in my case, I have seen the Google Classroom in my desktop. And if I'll proceed with the button search bar and type for Classroom, I would be able to see a best match, which is the Google Classroom as an application. Okay. So your Windows also ask you if you'd like to pin it to taskbar. You can simply click on yes to confirm, or you can simply decline that by clicking on no thanks. In my case, I don't like it to be pinned here at my taskbar. Okay. Once you're good, you can now proceed with the Google Classroom where you can create a class and can join a class. So this is good if you have an online class. This Google Classroom is very a good application where you can connect to your classmates or even instructors or teachers using this application virtually. Okay. You can also start a meeting here where your classmates or where your instructor could join it. Okay. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.